Hey guys, how are you all? I Aishwarya and welcome to my channel. So nowadays I'm thinking what new designs I can make in all the jewelry, be it a necklace, earring, jhumka, ring, bracelet, and all. So with the same thought, I had made up a one jhumka design which is which is looking very pretty and unique. Though it takes a little time to make it because the jhumka is actually we are gonna make it. We are not gonna buy from the market. So these are these pretty cute earrings, and this jhumka we have made at we will be gonna this jhumka we are going to make on our own, like this beads we will attach on ourselves, and this is the mold that we'll buy from the market. So this is how it looks, and they are the perfect for like haldi ceremony and as well as the mehndi ceremony. So if you are approaching a new bride for your jewelry, you can definitely make this kind of earrings because the shell jewelry is very much in the market. So you can just try to make these earrings, and they are very lightweight. Like I'm just not feeling that I'm wearing something, and it's comfortable to wear for the whole day. So anyone can easily wear for their function. So I have made them in the white color to like white color will go with anything, but you can try to make any other color also. And this jhumka you have modified accordingly. I also made one more design in this, and I have made something different over here. That I'll show you in the end of the video. So do watch this video till the end. And if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, I have a request that I'm really trying to grow out my channel on this platform. So your one subscription will really help me a lot in growing out my channel. It costs you nothing but means a lot to me, and it is helping me in growing out my channel. So do press the subscribe button and also press the bell notification so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now without wasting time,
So first we'll take this MDF base and cover it with the fabric. I'm taking this white fabric, you can take any other that you want. Then I'm taking this Favon glue to stick the kundans. So we'll take this big kundan which we use in kundan jewelry just to make the experiment that how it will look. And then again with the help of Favon glue only, we will stick this kundan petals. These are small size kundans that we will stickable kundans that we will use. And again I'm using the Favon glue only. You can also use the fabric glue, but it takes time for fabric glue to get dry, and that's why I'm using this Favon glue. So we will make the whole flower, and this is how it will look. So make sure that you have the proper finishing so that it will look good. Now I'll flip this one, and to this side we will add the earring stud for that. And again make sure that you will add the ample amount of glue here so it won't come out. Then we'll keep this aside for drying, and we'll take the jhumka. So this is the jhumka that we use in silk thread jewelry and which is easily available in the market. And again now here I like recommend you to use this Favon glue or B6000 glue only, otherwise it won't work. Then I'm taking this small size pearl bead chain, but you can take any bead chain like diamond bead chain or this golden bead chain that you want, or you can just simply stick some kundans, or you can do lots of embellishments for that. So make sure that you are sticking it very properly. So I have stick the pearl bead chain, and now I'm taking this small size golden bead chain to match the vibes. You can also take the big size, like it's just a matter of matching and experimenting that what you like. So make sure that whatever you do, you are happy with that and your client is happy with that. So again with the help of this Favon glue, we will stick the this bead chain. So do let me know how do you like these experiments in the comments below, and I want to know where are you guys from. I'm from Mumbai, so and let me know which is your city. So in this way I have covered this all, and this is how it looks. And this time this stud has dried up, and now we'll quickly attach the back finishing. So I always attach the stud first and let it dry, and then add the back finishing fabric so that it gets the proper strength and it won't come out. Otherwise I have seen the instances that the stud come out. So always make sure that this is a trick to make it very proper. And then we'll cut the extra fabric, and this is how it will look. So now we'll keep, so these both are ready, and now we'll make the tassels. So for this I'm taking this shell, and then we'll attach this 30 gauge wire to it, and we'll wrap it only 2-3 times, otherwise it will the wire will broke. Then I'm adding this L'Oreal, so you can add 3, 4 or 5, 6 how much ever you want. to make it look heavy. So we'll add this, and then after this I'm adding this 3 pearl bead chain, so pearl bead, so make it more attractive. You can do lots of experiment. You can also add this golden bead in this. Then I'm adding this L'Oreal, so it has 6 beads long L'Oreals that I have taken, and then again we'll wrap it a little and then cut the extra part. So in this way we have to make 2 more, so I have already made them 2 and they are ready. And now we will attach it to the jhumka. So for that I am taking this MDF, already has a hole, so we just have to check where is it, and then we will add it in that hole, and we'll add this 3 latkans, you can say, in this 30 gauge wire, and we'll make a wrap over here with the help of plier or with the hand. You can make 2-3 wraps to attach the latkans in the wire very properly. And then from this hole of the jhumka you bring it out, and the hole, and here we will add this golden bead chain to enhance its look. And then to this hole we will just simply take the wire out and again make 2-3 wraps. So that's it guys. With this, how these pretty earrings are ready. Tada! So see how the way it sounds very pretty good, and they look so pretty, and they are very very lightweight to make. So do try to make these earrings at home, and do let me know how was your experience while making these earrings. Stay tuned for the next video. Till then, this is Aishwarya signing off.